So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete your account on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr's opened up, go to the bottom right and press on the profile picture icon. Once you're on this page, just scroll down to where it says settings and then select account. Then under account management, it says deactivation and deletion. You guessed it, go ahead and press that. Now, if you want to delete your account, make sure that deleting your account is selected. Keep in mind as well, deleting your account is permanent and irreversible, so you won't be able to change your mind later. If you want to change your mind, just press deactivate, but in this case, you want to go ahead and press delete. Then go to the bottom, press the orange or red or kind of salmon colored box that says continue to account deletion. Go ahead and select that, follow the steps to confirm and finalize the deletion of your Fiverr account. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to delete your account on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.